Hello, good afternoon, everyone. I'm Aditi. I'm from Mentoring Finance. Today, I have the pleasure of introducing Mr. Chirag Gohil, a distinguished alumnus of our institute. Mr. Chirag hails from the vibrant city of Mumbai and boasts an impressive educational background, holding a qualification as a chartered accountant. Currently, he serves as an accountant at White Oak Capital Asset Management Limited, bringing his wealth and expertise to the table. Also, he has passed diploma in IFRS in December 2022. So, sir, do you want to say something or add something about yourself?
Yeah, thank you for your for me to invite here. Uh, Actually, it is a pleasure to tell you experience with the mentoring finance and with you.
Okay, okay. Let's begin with the questions.
Yeah, sure.
Why you decided to take this course on IFRS?
So basically, this IFRS it's like a global changing the events. So previously there was a many company, many global level of companies having a different of set of accounting standards. So they prefer always a different view on a, some particular transaction, which is across the globe are the same, but the treatments are different. So whenever you get this type of difficulty, there's something to be in line with the global level. So when I saw this type of differentiation between the standards and according to me, if it is any global level presence to be there or understanding to the markets and players in your organization or to read the financial statements at global level or within your industries also or company India, you have to know knowledge about the IFRS because what the
Yes.
practically which we studied theoretically at the past, it is now become old dated and something new is coming the life. So the life you have to learn every time. So I decided to learn the IFRS and which
Okay,
we encourage to do that.
okay, okay. Can you share an example of how you used IFRS knowledge to make a positive impact at your workplace?
Yeah. So when in my previous organization where I was working, we have lots of branches in our heads. So that everywhere there is a security deposits, lease rentals, and all are there. And all the escalations like every 5 years, every year, every 3 years, there are different type of approaches are there. So that time we are facing the difficulty how to implement this in our situations. So that time this IFRS studies help me to understand how we can trigger the IFRS rule like India is 116 and IFRS 16 in our lease accounting systems. Also, we are as an investment company, so we have a short term, long term investment lying in our bucket. So we need to invest everywhere and the mark to mark transactions which required every time. So this help us to improvise our balance sheet and make a bolder decision in our investment side, which really helped me in my IFRS study for this.
Okay, okay. That was really nice. Any special memory of our institute or Rammohan Bhave, sir? Do you
So
want to
I
share
still
it?
remember, yeah, I want to share this. I actually started just I think for 6 or 7 months ago before my December 22 examination was started. And I was really worried. This is my first time online lectures was there. So I connect with the Ramon Bhave sir and told that this is my first time I'm doing the live online classes. I have never attended any online because I'm coming from the physical batches all the time, my graduation to my chartered accountancy and everywhere. So I told Ramon Bhave sir that how can we turn this? So he just assured me that whatever questions you want to ask, you can ask as if I am present in front of you. So that was a great moment for me also. So that anytime, just still remember, anytime I ask, raise the question and ask the sir how it is happened, and sir is telling me, "Arey, abhi samjha." But he constantly repeat that, and whenever, whatever the doubts which we have, he cleared all this. And over and above, the best part is whenever we cleared our examination, he personally meet the person who have cleared or who wants to meet and take a guidance on other person, which is a great intake we can take from the others also, and we can give the total output of ourselves. how we have done. We can justify with the meeting, personal meeting. And to meet the sir, have a friendly chat is a great experience rather than a learning experience we did.
Yes, yes, that was really great. Any advice would you give to future students considering taking up this course?
For diploma IFRS,
Yes, yes.
so I will tell you one thing. So for clearing a diploma IFRS, I cleared in my first attempt. So
Okay.
with the working, and I just provided only 2 to 3 hours of studies of daily before the exam. But what I did was special was I go through all the PPT which we provided by Rammohan Bhave sir. I read it clearly before the exams. Also, I tried to only and only done the past examinations papers, which we generally do in a lectures also. So
Yes.
it was very, very helpful for me because I have no other bunch of papers or a bunch of books or a model test papers or a questionnaire. I have nothing. I have just only two things. One, PPT, the theoretical things which provided by Rammohan Bhave sir, and the second, the past examination papers which is available on the ACC website, also in the source. Your website was mentoringfinance.com. So there also I available. So only these two things and the constant practice will only lead to your success.
Yes. Thank you so much, sir, for joining today. Your insights were really valuable. Thank you so much for joining.
Yeah, it's my pleasure. Thank you so much for inviting me. Thank you.
Thank you.